Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Mushfika Ikfat and I am truly delighted to join Presidency University as a lecturer in the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. I had completed both of my HSC and SSC from Biseswar Nur Muhammad Public College situated in Pilkhana, Dhaka, and my hometown is Joshore. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science from Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering from Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, securing a CGPA of 3.97 out of 4. Throughout my undergraduate journey, I had developed a keen interest in VLSI and semiconductor technologies, and so I conducted my thesis based on gallium nitride devices and semiconductor technologies. After that, I had completed industrial attachment at Neural Semiconductor Limited, which gave me hands-on experiences on semiconductor technologies. I believe engineering education should not be confined within academic textbook knowledges. Rather, it should bridge the gap between industry and academia. As an educator, I hope to inspire students to explore the emerging technologies like VLSI and embedded systems. I'm truly excited to begin this journey with Presidency University. I believe Presidency University is a rapidly growing institution with a strong vision for academic excellence.